The Vampire is a laser-guided missile launcher, hosting 4 rockets, which can be integrated into military or civilian flatbed trucks. These launchers use BAE Systems' Advanced Precision Kill Weapons System rockets specialized for detonating near drones. Vampire's full name stands for Vehicle Agnostic Modular Palletized ISR Rocket Equipment. Its primary function is to accurately target and shoot down drones. Despite being less high-tech compared to other systems, the Vampire is cost-effective at $27,000 per missile. Its adaptability to various vehicles complements Ukraine's innovative approach to warfare. The Vampire allows Ukraine to address the threat of Russia's kamikaze drones efficiently, preserving advanced anti-aircraft systems for critical areas. Given the economic disparity between producing drones and the missiles meant to destroy them, the Vampire offers a cost-effective solution. The Pentagon confirms Ukraine's use of the Vampire, also capable of striking ground units. Laharis Technologies Incorporated, the manufacturer of the Vampire, reveals that 4 out of 14 systems, from a $40 million contract, were sent to Ukraine mid-year. The remaining 10 will be delivered by 2023's end. Funding for the Vampire system is part of the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative from Washington. This deployment marks the first time the Vampire system has been used in a combat zone, signifying its critical role in a drone-centric conflict. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI developments, don't forget to subscribe.